No more mask.
You've seen me try, you've seen me break, you've seen me fight the demons I face. You give me air when I can't breathe, when I can't bear to fight what's coming. You say don't surrender, I never will. I've seen you break, but I've seen you rebuild. Don't surrender.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, it is going to be our weekend long trip to Gatlinburg, our day one. It's raining at the moment, so we'll probably have to drive. We were thinking to walk since it's only 15 minutes away, but we'll have to drive now because it's raining. And I will flip the camera so you guys can see the view that I'm looking at right now. And this is the view right now. Can't really see the mountain. It's kind of foggy now, but it was so pretty this morning before it rained. And this is a view from our balcony, and along that street were people walking. Let me try to zoom. You can there's a bunch of restaurant, stores. You know, you can just walk along the street all the way down, and love the mountain view. It's my first time in Gatlinburg and I'm so excited.
Let's go.
So we're going to our car now. Our car is parked right there. It's going to be rainy all weekend. Just get the most of it this trip and see what we can do. But the road here is so narrow. You really have to be extra careful driving because a bunch of people walking on the street too. This is what I was showing you on our balcony at the hotel. This is the street that you see people walking, like I mentioned, and that's where we're gonna be eating. We're supposed to go for a walk, but we decided to drive instead because it's raining and it's a little bit cooler today. It's 59 degrees. So my husband and I, we actually drove, and then now we decided to go back to the hotel, drop off our car because it was so hard to find parking. And now me and my husband, good thing I have 2 umbrellas in my car and it's perfect.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can tell the same. And I know when you know all the things I made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know when you know.
So we're done eating. It looks like maybe a mall. We're just gonna look around. Got a souvenir shop there. They have a coffee. You wanna go there? There's a gift shop here. We have to put a mask on because it's required. So, hi. Sure, thank you.
And an operator. To your left is the entrance to Great Smoky Mountain Station Park.
Maybe we cross the line. Oh, you make me cry. And I know you know all the things I made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things I made us. I still have to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. You my fantasy. Something just something sweet. You my fantasy. All day you'll be with me. You my fantasy. Please me, my destiny. You my fantasy.
rain and the sun is out. You having fun? Yeah. Fun. Better now, all dry. Maybe I spoke too soon. It's about to rain. We're gonna try to go to Starbucks and try to find the collectible mug. We might go head back to the hotel. And our fit is killing us.
You want to go up in that?
It looks like it's interesting to
I think it's just a like a
show.
scenic view. You just go up and look around.
That's pretty. So now this is what it looks like. Yes. We are back in our hotel now. And look at our view. The mountain is beautiful. So pretty. We just left our hotel and we are on our way to Pigeon Ford right now to check out and see if we have any restaurant we want to eat at for dinner, and we don't really have any planned or any made any reservation for tonight, so we are on our way there right now to check it out. I can just imagine it's so beautiful here full time, and that's where we were walking earlier. So, and it's surrounded by mountain. Let me see.
Oh, there's the Uber. The Uber cart.
Got just like all over mountain. It's just a mountain
I
everywhere.
see the Uber car coming.
Oh, never mind. Woo! That's pretty. How come we didn't go on a tunnel coming? Did we? I didn't pay attention. Ooh. Pretty. It's all mountain. Oh, it's Gatlinburg. Welcome to Pigeon Ford. We're trying to check out all the restaurants that you can dine in and have a show. They are all sold out. So we tried to book some, but they are sold out, so we're gonna try to walk in and see. If this one right here, we meant to come there, but it's gonna be late on Monday night. Not gonna work out for us, but we're gonna check out some of the restaurant that has a show right now and see if we can get in. Today my husband was able to call Dolly Parton's Stampede, and we were able to walk in tomorrow at 8:30. Supposed to be, we had the reservation for Monday evening, but we have a long drive, so my husband canceled that Monday, and we tried again to call for walk-in tonight, which is Saturday night, and they're sold out for tonight. And so my husband asked for Sunday night, and we were able to actually get a reservation, and we are so excited, and my husband is dying to watch the show and check out Dolly Parton's Stampede. And yeah, we're looking forward for tomorrow. And right now we're supposed to have a reservation at, what was that restaurant? Goat. Local Goat, the restaurant, but it's for tomorrow lunch. And since we have the Dolly Parton's Stampede tomorrow, we're going to try to walk in at local goat restaurant, and hopefully we can dine in for dinner tonight, and then we'll just cancel reservation for tomorrow. So good luck, wish us luck. We're eating here. Table for two. Got wings. It's Sunday and it's raining again. And we are on our way to the 2 hours convention kind of meet up for the timeshare, and that is why we got the hotel, the whole hotel for free. So that's pretty awesome. We're on the way there. Just left from the Westgate Smoky Mountain Resort, and we're heading to Pigeon Forge to grab some dinner and 2:19 here in the afternoon. Traffic, so we don't know if there's an accident. The road is very pretty, all the green scenery is amazing. I love the beauty of nature, is so pretty, and it looks like right now we're moving. Earlier we're just completely stopped, so hopefully we'll continue moving.
Take the exit toward National Park.
And there's a traffic right there. I don't know what's going on. It looks like a Christmas.